Hi there, this is Cliff Rosa here with Rosa Media Productions, and I am finishing up day 2 of training with a video production kit for an elementary school. And I just wanted to do a quick capture to show what this kit is all about. It's an entry-level video production kit for like a video production club or a video production class or elective at a middle school, or actually this is for an elementary school. I work with a lot of elementary schools. Let's take a look inside the kit.
Okay, here you see the bin and one of the tripods, and this inside the kit there are 6. Let's stand that up a little better. Yeah, there we go. There are 6 different little camera kits. You can see they're set up inside here to charge, and that goes off to charge there. These are entry-level cameras. It's a Canon HF 800 Vixia, and we've got 4 mic kits. These are Audio-Technica 3350. Okay. Basically, it's a 6 meter, or in other words, 20-foot long cable attached to a lavalier mic. We've got 4 mics in this kit here, and 2 of the camera kits are just cameras. You don't always need to have a mic when you're recording. And then up here we've got a little spot for storing SD cards. They're all labeled, so the idea here is to make it simple for the teacher or the manager of this gear to be able to easily see, oh yeah, all the SD cards have been put back. Awesome. All of the cameras are put back. They're in place, so forth. Stuff management is kind of important in the teaching game. And then what we also have is we've got 4 tripods. Don't always need a tripod for shooting, but often do. So we've got 4 tripods. It's a pretty sturdy, well made, but the key is we've got fluid drag head on these guys. It's a $75, it's a knockoff type tripod, but it is, as far as I've tested so far, real sturdy. And of course, if it's not stressed too much, it should last a good long time.
So I'm pretty excited about this kit because I like how it all fits in this little bin. It makes it so it's pretty easy to be able to grab it and go to, say, an NPR room or whatever room the actual meeting, the club will be meeting in. Go through the whole process, production process, and having various teams of kids putting together content clips, and other kids putting together, piecing those together into a broadcast. I'm going over training at this particular school with a real excited teacher. He's very interested in moving forward with this kind of thing, but also, he's got some video making background. He loves technology, but he really wants to equip the kids. And so we're talking all about how to put together the class so that you have this regular school broadcast that'll start coming out, tying together casting vision for the school and giving students a chance to create and have an authentic audience of their own school community. So, at any rate, Cliff Rosa, Rosa Media Productions. You can connect with me in any of the ways on my social media. My most used social media is, quite frankly, YouTube. If you're wanting to get in touch with me about video production at your school and how I might be able to help you pick some gear and do some training, then the easiest thing is just to contact me at cliff@rosamediaproductions.com. Look forward to hearing from you, and also if you have any questions or things that I could clarify about this kit or video production with students, be happy to try to field those questions there. All right, rosamediaproductions.com. You have a great day.